The police are overtaking me. My bike is pretty much legal, but I do have my number plate fell off and it's a bit scraped, so the letters aren't very visible, but that's fine. Yeah, he's having a good look there. I want to race from. I feel like he's holding back now because he wants to look at the bike again. The last person I want to be behind. Volgan, Politi, Volgan. What does that mean? Is he pulling me over? I'm so confused. Volgan. What does Volgan mean? I feel like it's me. I feel like he's going to pull me over. I'm so confused. I am getting pulled over. Well, there's a first for everything. I didn't do anything, I swear. We looked at the bike on the side. I don't really know what's wrong with the bike. I'm not really sure. But it's a good excuse for being late for work. Walker, I speak English.
English? Okay.
I saw the sign and I couldn't remember what the word Vulcan meant.
Vulcan means follow.
Okay.
Easy. Yeah, you're not. Where are you from?
Manchester.
Manchester. Yeah. Well, you get the blue lights, right?
Yeah, exactly. So I was like, oh, I don't know what that means.
In Holland, we want to determine our own place
Yeah.
where we go with people. So.
Right. Okay. So the lights, people stop immediately, and then.
We don't like that on the highway, so that's why we take people off the highway.
Yeah. Fair.
Have you a driving license for?
Yeah. It's in the bag, I think. Oh God, I hope I have it with me now.
What happened here?
The whole thing fell off and got stuck here. So I had Sharpied it on, but it's it's an English one.
Is it your bike?
Yeah. Well, technically it's my wife's because I'm not a Dutch.
Wife's.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, why did you look at the number plate?
Yeah, we looked at the number plate. We see the owner didn't have any license registration.
Right. Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
I just want to make sure the.
Yeah.
We probably thought there wasn't a woman on the bike. So.
Yeah. Oh, you don't think I look like a girl? At least that's a good thing, I guess.
That's good. Yes.
Have
you a passport with you?
I don't have my passport with me. I have my residency card. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, she I only got residency recently because for my job.
Yes.
So she owns the bike, but I'm on the insurance as a named driver, I think.
All right.
I think.
All right. Everything's okay.
Cool.
Thank you.
Dankjewel. Fijne dag, hetzelfde. And that is a police encounter in the Netherlands. Very nice guys, very polite. Didn't try and find any issues with the bike apart from my number plate being mostly scratched off. It's a good job they didn't catch me about 10 minutes earlier when I was breaking the speed limit. I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit nervous then. Obviously I cut out all the personal details in that video, but technically this bike is my wife's because I'm not a fully Dutch citizen or resident, so I can't technically buy a vehicle like this. So they ran the license plate and saw the owner doesn't have a bike license. Classic. Right, off we go. Now what are they doing? They're not coming back onto the motorway, they're just having a little potter around. least I know now that they're not going to try and start doing, and there they are there. Well, at least I know they're not ahead of me, and at least I know that if I do get stopped, this exhaust obviously isn't too loud, so that's good. The police pull you over in the Netherlands, they won't necessarily put the lights on, they just flash a sign in Dutch. If you don't speak Dutch, and there's a board in the back of their window with the red words on it saying Volong de Politie or something like that, that means stop. Don't just carry on going as if you don't care.